Remember how long it used to take to create thumbnails or hire someone on Fiverr who never did a good job? Yeah, we're done with that. Joelle's going to show you how you can generate viral thumbnails in literally 60 seconds.
So Nano Banana, that's that little banana symbol there. That's their image tool. So you can make any kind of image you want. So let's say I upload. Let's find a picture here. So let's get this picture here. You use this image in a YouTube thumbnail where let's say, where the text says make money now, and the dimensions are, I think it's 12 by 720. I think that's the right dimensions for YouTube. So let's go ahead and give it just the image of the person. This could be you, could be like a AI person you made up, could be whatever. We just kind of give it some guardrails. And so just like I'm doing this manually right now, the same thing in NaN. If we were building an automation, it would just be like every day, maybe one part of the automation starts with the topic for the day, right? And we went through that and it was like scraping, what are the best trending topics? Look at that. And it was scraping like, what are the best trending topics? What are this, what are that? Then we could have the next part, generate an image of Crystal, generate an image of Crystal doing something similar to the topic. And then the next part might be Nano Banana. It's like, okay, now take this image and make the thumbnail, and here's what the title should be. And so on and so on and so forth until at the end, we get a full on, post it to YouTube with the thumbnail, with the description, with the voiceover, with whatever we need. And we didn't touch it at all.